Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 1st of August. And first of all, national news. Over 35 lakh income tax return filed on last day, deadline till midnight. Lok Sabha passed cinematograph bill to curb film piracy. Violence during Haryana religious procession, 2,500 stranded in temple. India likely to see normal monsoon in August, September. Weather body. India Startup Festival to be held in Bengaluru with focus on rural empowerment. Fugitive Mehul Choksi told to deposit rupees 2 lakh to court in Netflix series appeal. GST evasion of rupees 14,302 crore detected in current fiscal year. Center. Amid dengue spike, Delhi civic body to use drones for anti-larval spraying. Now international news. Sri Lanka recorded single-digit inflation for first time since crisis. Data. Joining China's Belt and Road was atrocious. Decision. Italy minister. Alleged threats made by passenger forces New Jersey bound flight to return to Boston. Now, sports news. Australia beat Canada in Women's World Cup. Japan defeated Spain in Women's World Cup. Jasprit Bumrah made a comeback to lead Indian cricket team in T20 International Series versus Ireland. PV Sindhu Kidambi Shrikant hope for a turnaround. Focus on HS Prannoy and Lakshya Sen in Australian Open. Business related news. Curve Finance DeFi exchange hacked. Losses estimated to be over $40 million. Rupee fell 5 paise to 82.23 against US dollar. Adani Green Energy net profit rose 51% to rupees 323 crore in June quarter. Sensex bounced back after fall in early trade amid foreign fund outflows. Maharashtra seeks World Bank's assistance for upgrading infrastructure. RBI assigned CBDC expansion targets to banks, aims for 1 million daily transactions by December, a report said. Science related news. Scientists discovered mysterious light blinking every 20 minutes in space. 2 supermoons in August, rare phenomenon, won't be seen again for 14 years. And that's all in news. Thank you.